Did you know that tiny plastic particles are silently destroying the delicate dance between flowers and their pollinators in peat bogs? It's a chain reaction that's changing how birds survive. Deep in ancient peat bogs, microplastics are infiltrating the soil and altering flower structures at a microscopic level. These changes make flowers less attractive to bees and other pollinators, reducing successful pollination by up to 40%. As plants struggle to reproduce, they produce fewer seeds and fruits, directly impacting the food supply for native bird species. Scientists discovered that birds living in microplastic-contaminated bogs show significant changes in their foraging patterns. Some species are forced to fly longer distances for food, while others are adapting their diets to include less nutritious alternatives. This environmental pressure is literally reshaping bird populations, pushing them to evolve new survival strategies in these compromised ecosystems. What other unexpected ways might plastic be changing nature's ancient relationships?